here at Murgaon Education Society's Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. Today we are organizing the first day of STAM 4. We have been organizing this particular program because now what is STEM? STEM is science, technology and me. This is a collective program of the science teachers and the vocational teachers. We have different competitions held today. All the off-stage events are held today. Right now we are having poster competition. The topic for the poster competition is science, technology, guiding our lives. Similarly, we are also made up our labs, physics, chemistry and biology, as well as the vocational labs are being set up for the students, which will be a part of field science experience, where outside schools other than MES High Secondary School, the outside surrounding schools have come, the students have come with the teachers, and they will be entering every labs, seeing the projects, interacting with our teachers, the other students, and then presenting their reports. The theme of poster competition today is science and technology guiding our lives. Today we have about 14 participants here. The duration of this event is about 2 hours.
As a part of STEM 4, which is organized by MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School, this is our 4th year where we are organizing this science and technology competition series. As a part of it, we were having the slides to show competition. It is a PowerPoint presentation for the school students up till standard 9th. The topic for the same was science and technology guiding our lives. The topic is self-explanatory in the sense how is science and technology helping us to make our lives better. And as a part of this, we had 13 schools participating from Murgaon Taluka and Salsit Taluka. All students actually did a very good job of the presentation. The teachers helped them in the way they organized the ideas and the content. We also have our judges with us who did a very good job of judging them. I'm sure they must be having a tough time because the participants were very, very good. And we also have Mr. Sankalp Mahale, our PR representative, and Mr. Vinay Velip as a part of the organizing team.
So judging this competition was a very tough job, I say, because the kind of presentation made by the students all were at par. It is fascinating to see that the children have gathered so many thoughts and they were able to pack within a short time. I would also like to compliment the people who have behind the scenes helped these children shape up their presentation, because it is only their guidance, the teachers especially their guide, that will take these children, they'll help the children to improve all the time. I also take this opportunity to thank the organizers for focusing on STEM, because STEM is something that is guiding our life, as the topic rightly says. And if we are not adapting to the changing and the emerging technologies, I think there are very good chances that we will be left behind. So with that, it's an overall a good attempt by the organizers to ensure that equal focus is given on science and technologies and how it impacts our regular life. Thank you very much.
I'm extremely happy to be over here. For the last 4 years, the high secondary is organizing the STEM 4. This is the 4th year. And right now, science and technology is in need of the hour. So inculcating this science and technology along with arts and maths is a really good initiative for fostering education in children. I thank the MES Madhav Kamat High Secondary School for organizing such competition. This really encourages all these students to come forward and participate in all these events.
Good morning. I'm from St. Joseph Institute. We are delighted to participate in this competition. This is our first time we have been participating. Even the participant over here for the slideshow, the Slide to Success competition, she participated for the first time. It was a good experience for all of us. And as teacher said, this topic, what they have given, is very important nowadays because all are into AI and online things. So it is helping all of us to learn and think more about all this. So I think it was a good opportunity for all of us.
I am Avya Naik and I am representing St. Joseph's Institute. I had participated in the elocution competition and it was a great opportunity. It is developing my speaking skills, and I thank the organizers of this competition.
Murgaon Education Society's Madhav Kamat High Secondary School, in collaboration with Department of Science and Technology, Government of Goa, is hosting the 4th edition of STAM, that is Science, Technology and Me. Basically for 2 days, that is today 19th of September and tomorrow 20th of September. What began as a small scale celebration of National Science Day in the year 2021 has today grown into a benchmark science festival, which involves high school students not only from Murgaon Taluka but the whole of Salsett. And definitely in the years to come, we intend to grow this tree of STEM across the whole of Goa. STEM has grown over the years, giving students a platform to participate in various competitions. And along with this has also become a platform for our own students of 11th and 12th science, as well as the vocational students, to showcase their talent, to think creatively and innovatively. And as you can see today in the chemistry laboratory, the students have put up exhibits and projects as a part of innovative thinking. So this event is basically to inspire in students and to make them realize that the science of today is the technology of tomorrow.
So good morning to one and all. I am Anuja, presenting a very fascinating experiment called as a whispering wind. So this experiment shows how two gases meet and perform white fumes of hydrochloric acid. So now I have taken this conical flask in which I have added sodium carbonate, salt and ammonium hydroxide. So after adding them, I will place it here and we will add concentrated HCl. So when you are adding concentrated HCl, you have to add it very carefully because it's a concentrated solution. So I will add this very carefully. So as you can see, this white smoke like fumes, they are the fumes of ammonium chloride. So they seem like a soft winds whispering in the air. Therefore, we named it as a whispering winds. So it's like it's not an fumes or smoke. It's a tiny particles of NH4Cl which form this fume and which makes this fume gases very visible. Thank you.
My name is Deepa.
My name is Yashoda.
And I'm from MES Madhav Kamat High Secondary. We would be doing a beautiful magical witch's bloom experiment in which we are using potassium iodide salt and concentrated H2SO4. In this we have taken Ki, which is potassium iodide. We will be holding it with the test tube since it is concentrated, and we will be adding the H2SO4 in it. We need to heat it a little bit.
When heated, falling, be careful to keep it away.
As you can see, the violet fumes are coming. This happens because concentrated H2SO4 reacts with Ki salt, which forms Hi, hydrogen iodide, which is very unstable, which then gets oxidized by H2SO4 and forms iodine gas. So this is the violet fumes you can see. This may look like a witchcraft, but it isn't. It's just chemistry doing its magic. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akshaya Raikar. I am the physics teacher of this higher secondary MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. About the theme of physics this time for STEM 4, we thought of astronomy as our theme because physics being a vast subject, it has got importance in all the fields. So we thought this time we'll make it something different. So we planned it out accordingly, me along with my co-teacher, Teacher Shruti Amirkar. We all thought about it as to make it something different. So we thought, why not include space this time? So the students were made to make models based on space and astronomy. So we have got our students do the projects on solar eclipse and Chandrayaan and ISRO. Mainly our theme was to introduce or to make others aware of what is done by ISRO, and also it is all that we see in our lab is the hard work of our students. It is our plan, but it is the execution of the students. So this is all I have to say about our lab physics for STEM 4. Thank you.
We are the students of class 11th MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. We have created a model of Chandrayaan rover which works on its own. So it had mainly three components. The first one was the propulsion module, the second was a Vikram lander, and the third one was the Pragyan rover. So it works. We have used batteries and other components to fuel it so that it could move on its own. By turning on the switch, it goes in the forward direction as well as backward direction.
My name is Sasikanjaya. I am from 11th standard Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. This is my project for Science Day called the STAM. STAM full form is Science, Technology and Meme. This is my project. This project is explaining about the Kepler's law. First law states that Earth is revolving around the oval path. We normally draw Earth in the circular path around the Sun. That is the law. First law states that it is revolving around the circular path. It has the two forces, Sun and the elliptical force. Because of that reason, the second law states that the distance between this and this is the difference. So that means the speed of the Earth is different from here and here. The speed of the Earth is increased and the speed of the Earth is decreased. Therefore, the area between here and here in the period time of 1 month is different. Because of that reason, the area between this and this is the similar. It is the two law.
My name is Bryce Jonathan Fernandez and I study in MES Higher Secondary School, Madhav Kamat High School, and today I'm going to educate you all on some of the three unique sea creatures. Here we have the pufferfish. It is known as the pufferfish because when an animal attacks it, it inflates with air. Now because it inflates with air, it becomes buoyant and it rises up to the surface, which it's also known as the clumsy swimmer of the ocean. A second defense mechanism of its body is its toxic spikes. Its spikes are so toxic, it is 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. A unique feature about the pufferfish is its teeth. Its teeth continue to grow throughout its lifetime, to a point that it forms a beak. Moving on here, we have the electric eel, the Thor of the ocean. Do you know that the electric eel naturally produces its electricity in its body? It has 3 electric glands that produce electricity up to 600 volts. A fun fact about the electric eel is it zaps its prey twice. First, to expose the location of its prey, and second, to kill it. Moving on to the octopus. 8 arms, 3 hearts, but still couldn't find a mate. The octopus, unlike us humans, we have red blood and 1 heart, whereas the octopus, it has blue blood and has 3 hearts. The blue blood is due to a pigment, hemocyanin. We humans have a pigment called hemoglobin, an iron-rich compound that produces red color pigment to our body, whereas the octopus contains a pigment known as hemocyanin, which produces a blue color pigment to its body. We humans have 1 heart, which produces blood all over our body, whereas the octopus has 3 hearts. 2 hearts produce blood only to the gills, whereas the other 3rd heart produces blood all throughout the body. There are no bones present inside the octopus, which makes it easier for it to move in tight corners.
My name is Shobhit Shokhadka and I am from MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. This specimen over here is a sea snake. Now you might have seen videos on YouTube where the sea snake is gliding through water. Why is this possible? It's because of its tail. This is a flat paddle-like tail which allows it to move through water as if it's gliding. Now this is found in the Indian Ocean, but do not get scared, my Goan friends, because we Goans are in the west coast, so we can enjoy our beaches without being scared of this coming at us. This is a crate. This is found in the Indian subcontinent. Now, the crate is a docile snake, meaning it doesn't like to move much, and its bite is also not very it doesn't hurt much to humans, so you wouldn't even realize that you have been bit. Also, the venom of the snake will kill you in 3 to 5 hours if not taken proper care. This is the king cobra. The king cobra is called the king of venomous snakes because this is the longest, most venomous snake in the world. The king cobra is one of the only known snake species to build nests. This snake likes to eat other snakes. Also, if the king cobra bites you, you will die in 30 minutes to several hours.
My name is Priyanka Sodankar. I am the biology teacher here in MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School. Today, on the day of STEM, we have planned this theme called as the Dead Zoo, where we have tried to show and focus on the animals which we have preserved in our jars for a very long time. Some of these animals we will never find in nature these days because of all the destruction which is happening around us. So our aim today was to show all the students, the young generation, what species we have around in the form of a dead zoo which is preserved in all the formalin jars. We also have certain specimens which we will never find in any of these new institutes because most of these specimens are not available and it is illegal to have them. Since we are a very old higher secondary, we have completed 50 years, we still have these specimens in our possession, and today we have tried to show these specimens to all the students of various schools. So our effort has been to focus on the conservation and also to focus on the ecosystem and biodiversity of Goa and India.
the General Secretary of MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School, I would like to proudly say that this STEM is a big success. Today, our school is completing 50 years and we are proud of that. It is the 50th anniversary of our school and we have done many activities this year and we are planning to do more. As my experience, I would like to say that we have been doing many activities like cultural activities, sports activities, and I would like to say the staff, the teachers and the volunteers have been helping us very well. The teachers are very kind to us and they have been helping us a lot. This year, it's special for us, as I said previously. For today's STEM, our efforts have turned very well. I would like to say that many people have come, many school students have come to our school. Like 14 students had come and they liked our projects very well. We had kept an exhibition wherein we showed species, then some experiments, very amazing experiments. And to say that, I'm proud to say that they liked it a lot. And as a GS, I would like to do more for my school. Along with my council members, I would like to improve the infrastructure of the school. And then I would take the help of teachers with my studies and all other activities. Thank you.
My name is Karthik Burli. I am from MES Mahadev Higher Secondary Commerce School. I am studying in electronic technology vocational stream. So we'll start with our project today. As you can see, these all are the electronic components. The integrated circuit 7408, both the capacitors. This is the ceramic capacitor and this is the normal capacitor, and this is the transistor, resistor, and this is the diode. So we'll come to our main project, which is the earthquake detector, which consists of a battery and a buzzer which is connected to the switch, and the switch is connected to the sensitive copper wire. Now we'll give the supply from here. As it detects the movement from the surface, it gives the buzzer on and it will give the signal so that we can recruit from the danger zone and we can go from there. This is a small miniature project of the earthquake detector.
Hi, my name is Bryce Wallis. I am from MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School and this is my project. This is automatic fire extinguisher. It consists of a flame sensor, a breadboard, 5-volt module sensor and battery, water pump, and all these electronic components are connected to the breadboard. So when it detects fire, the pump sprays the water and all the water starts flowing.
We are here into our electronic technology lab ET into the occasional stream. हांगा सर वेगवेगळे occasional streams आसा. ET, MRIDA, CT आणि बाकीचे occasional streams आसा. Today in electronics lab, if you can see here, our students have done hands-on projects. Hands-on म्हटले कितें आसा? When the other schools visited here, they could actually feel what was happening here. They could actually see what was happening. Like if you see the projects over here, fire extinguisher, earthquake detector, मागीर खुबशे अशे बारीक projects आसात where we are using it in our daily purpose. आणि basically during our practicals also in occasional, whether it is electronic technology or automobile technology or MRIDA or CT, basically we are actually training our students. Now Modi government is saying that skill based education, so many things are coming up. Here we train them to be self-sufficient जावन आपले कितें तरी बिझनेस स्टार्ट करपाचें किंवा टेक्निकली बरें जावपा खातीर हे वोकेशनल स्ट्रीम इंट्रोड्यूस जाल्ले आसा. आनी हे STEM 4, this is our 4th year that we are doing, and we are getting very good response from the schools, in and around schools, and the organizers of the committee. I must thank the entire committee, STEM 4 committee, for having organized this so nicely that entire college has come together, and this is a very fantastic atmosphere. Thank you very much.
My name is Yogesh. I'm studying in 11th MRIDA in Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School, and this is my project of verification of Ohm's law. In this project, I had used digital multimeter, breadboard, and proper, and in this digital multimeter we can find out the values of voltmeter, current, and electric values. Now I will find out the value of ammeter. Sir, here the ammeter's value is 0.4. So the voltmeter's value is 4. Here we can see as the R is equal to 10 kilo ohms. The value of this volt is V into IR. The value of ammeter is 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 into 10 raised to plus 3. So this and this will get cancelled. The base is same, then the 0.4 into 10 is 4 volts.
Welcome to the MRIDA lab. MRIDA is the full form of MRIDA is Maintenance and Repairs of Electrical and Electronic Domestic Appliances. It is a vocational course. In our higher secondary, MES higher secondary, we have 6 vocational courses. So that is Electronic Technology, MRIDA, Computer CT, that is Computer Technique, AET, Automobile Engineering and Technology, and 2 commerce-based courses, that is AA and OM. Now we have organized STEM for a purpose. STEM, the full form of STEM is Science, Technology and Me. And as you all know that science and technology deals with main objective of STEM is to celebrate science and technology and to highlight the importance of science and technology in our day-to-day lives. Now the theme of our STEM is field science. So in our laboratories we have kept our experiments wherein we are having experiments wherein the students could come and actually do the hands-on. Okay, they put field science. Now the science, our students are very much creative and curious to gain knowledge, and we just thought of having experiments wherein they can utilize their talent, and STEM is a platform to explore science and technology and also to showcase their projects and their innovative experiments.
My name is Ashish. I am from 12th MIDA and I am studying in Madhav Higher Secondary. Here is my project of LEDs in series and LEDs in parallel. If suppose LED in series is something happen to one appliance or LED, the other will blow off, and in parallel if something goes down, the other will work. Thank you.
And we are CTs, vocational, part of vocational stream, and we have made 2 games and a quiz. We have made this from Python programming, which we have learned from 11th standard. It is a part of a concept and a part of our assignment too. So basically we have done this game. We have done 2 games, Hangman and Tic-Tac-Toe. So first Tic-Tac-Toe, we have to enter 2. So tic-tac-toe is basically x or x. So you have to make either 3x or 3o. The computer will be x and I will be o. So if we want to enter o, so it is either o. here I win. The other, we have done even quiz using web pages. So here the start quiz. So what is the sky color? General knowledge question it is. So it will be blue. Correct. Negative, practical, electron. So this other quiz.
So my name is Naveen Chari and I am from MES Madhav Kamat School, and here we are from Automobile Engineering and Technology. So we are going to learn about this transmission system. So he'll explain.
This is a 4-speed transmission system. This is all our gears. First gear, as you can see in first gear, it's hard to rotation because in first gear there is high torque and low speed. Second gear. In second gear, the torque and speed is equal. In third gear. In third gear, there is a little high speed and little low torque. In fourth gear, there is low torque and high speed because the first gear is used majorly on slopes to move the vehicle upwards and when you start the vehicle. And fourth gear is used when the vehicle is in a speed. Example in highway. In reverse gear, there is total 3 gears, inside, downside. It is an hard to rotate board. And this is a clutch. Clutch is used to engage and disengage the gear system while you shifting the gears.
So my name is Balaji Narvekar. I am here in front of you to present the steering system. This is a manual steering system and this is a model made by our class Automobile Engineering, and this is the model which is made by the waste materials, and we can see here is a pinion gear here. This is help the rack to move right and left, and the arms are connected to the tires. So when the rack moves left and right, the pinion gear helps the rack to move left and right. So this is a model. We cannot see inside this, but we can see this mechanism here presented. And this is a universal joint. This helps to adjust the steering height. For taller, you can upper the steering, and for lower, you can down the steering. So this piece will remain on its original position, and the universal joint will move. Thank you.
So basically, we are from MES Madhav Kamat High Secondary School, and we are organizing every year STAM, that is Science, Technology and Me. This is the 4th edition of that, and this year actually we got 14 schools nearby and 1 school from Murgaon. Actually we invited the schools from Murgaon as well as the Vasco area. Now the thing is, first day there were 3 competitions along with a field science, that is visit to the different lab, hands-on activity. The first competition was elocution competition, second was poster competition, third was slideshow, and the fourth was that field science. In that schools students were supposed to visit different labs and they were supposed to do some activities in the respective labs. So overall we finished the activity somewhere by 12 p.m. and the overall response from the teachers and from the schools were very good. So we actually enjoyed the event a lot. And since this is the 4th year, we will try to do better and better as we go ahead. Thank you.
teacher Nevina Furtado from MES Madhav Kamat Higher Secondary School, Zuarinagar, Goa. I am teaching here psychology subject. Over here I have put up a lot of psychological tests which I have converted into fun and entertaining games for the students, through which they can come to know their perception, their cognitive skills, their speed and accuracy test, their eye, hand, fine skills, motor skills, finger dexterity skills and various other games, through which the students will benefit and they will enjoy it also. Till now I have been getting good response from here from all the students as well as of teachers, and it is getting a big success.
They have become an inseparable part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the sound of an alarm on our mobile phones, to the time we use electricity, transportation, computers, and the internet, science touches us at every step. It is not just about invention and machines, it is about improving human life, solving real world problems, and making our world more connected. The theme Science, Technology and Me, that is STEM 4, reminds us that each one of us is not just a user of technology, but also a potential creator and innovator. Science gives us knowledge, technology applies it, and together they empower us to dream, discover, and design a better future. As students, you are the torchbearers of this future. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has rightly said that today's youth are the 10 pillars of our future, that is of Vikasit Bharat. Let us use this opportunity to learn, explore, and share ideas. May today's program inspire us to not only appreciate the wonders of science and technology, but also to reflect on how we as individuals can contribute responsibly to their growth for the welfare of human society. Events like this not only enhance knowledge but also ignite the imagination. They remind us that science and technology are not just about gadgets and discoveries, but they are the tools for improving lives, protecting our planet, and building a brighter future. Let this event inspire you to dream big, and let us embrace the journey of discovery and innovation with the excitement and purpose behind. Once again, I warmly welcome you all, and I hope that this event will be enlightening, inspiring, and memorable for everyone present here.
I must congratulate all of you for having this event, but more especially I'd like to congratulate my star student. Nay, she's not a star student. I have taught her. She is a superstar student, Miss Meera Prabhu. Let's give her a big round of applause. It's so nice that a simple idea of Science Day can mushroom into a huge event like this. Science, technology, and it's so encouraging to see students coming here and making this event a tremendous success. Thank you very much.
Mr. Joshi, President Member of Murgaon Education Society,
and perhaps she might have forgotten. I did attend some of her lectures when I was in college at one point of time, though I was always bunking because of my extracurricular activities. But whenever I had interactions with her, I remember always applauding me and encouraging me. I have not forgotten how much she used to encourage me, whether it was the late Paresh Joshi as well as Principal M.S. Kamat, who was the main person, always finding something special in me and giving me that special push. So wherever I am today, I greatly credit it to all these people who impacted my life. In fact, today, as we all know, it is a changing world, a newly evolving world, new situations coming and new normals coming. Not only after COVID-19. COVID-19 brought us work from home, but the situations that are developing even geopolitically, whether it is right down here, whether it is in the other foreign countries or in our country as well, what do we see? A sea change. If we are going to, as it is said, it is always the survival of the fittest. And if we are going to be competent enough to survive, if we are going to be skilled enough to be amongst the best talent by upskilling ourselves, how does it happen? It happens through science and technology, its application in the day-to-day life of people. And STAM 4, believe me, is a great contribution in that direction. I must really compliment our I would say Medha Prabhu, who was the founder, who in fact started it all. And perhaps our guest of honor mentioned her as a super student. Yes, I agree. He impacted the lives of many people whom I see as shining stars on the educational field. Another person who is very dear to me, who was a student, is also Mr. Sankalp Mahale, who is also the holding position of a sarpanch as well as doing very well as far as teaching is concerned and helping out people. Like this you will have so many students. But what is of essence here? Though because of paucity of time, I would have loved visiting every part of your setup that is there. I just had a cursory glance. And it pleases me to the maximum extent that you have really come of age. You are moving forward where it will inculcate in you a spirit of applications, of adoption, of doing things which can make science and technology come closer to you in improving situations, in getting solutions, in doing something for society, for the benefit of the people at large and you yourself. Sometimes we forget that we have it in ourselves to do all these things. There is somebody required, some platform required to make you shine. It is only then the best in you will come out. Today we must remember one thing. We are nothing but a huge global village today in terms of communication. And while releasing and looking at your the release of this particular pamphlet, only I saw another facet which was perhaps, I don't know why it is missing, the application of AI in a big way which is impacting our day-to-day lives today. In fact, we have to realize in this moving world, especially looking at the situation, look at your own country, how much it has progressed. Whether it was your recent astronaut returning to Earth very safely in the companionship of two other astronauts from two other countries, whether looking at boarding, whether sending spacecraft to Chandrayaan 3 to the southern part of the moon, whether launching satellites of several countries at 1/10 of the cost, of what other countries would perhaps be spending, shows ours how much science has progressed, how much technology we have ourselves. But remember, the strength of the country lies and is run not only by politicians or policy planners or only a few people who are at the helm of affairs who run the state or the country. It all happens through each one of you. Every citizen in this country has been working very hard in their own special way, and you have to reinvent yourself to show you are different. The major lessons which I had to learn, I learned from this college only. So I can never forget my college. It brings me very fond memories whenever I come here. Therefore, even though I had other functions, I said I will come. I hope and with a fervent belief that STEM 5 will be even much more than what it is today, with more students participating, perhaps building up of certain new startups which could be applicable in day-to-day life and which would be applauded as a great achievement by one of them. It is bound to happen. Make it happen. With these few words, I wish STEM 4 and all the organizers all the very best. It is your hard work which has made this happen, and I hope for better things to happen in the future. Thank you very much indeed.